In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add beautiful light rays to your videos using DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, go to the Effects panel and select OpenFX. Search for light rays and drag it onto your clip. Then, open the inspector and go to the Effects tab. Under Select Output, change it to Source Region. Now, adjust the source threshold to highlight just the areas you want as the light source. Once you're happy, switch the output back to Final Image. Next, adjust the length of the rays to control how far they spread. Tweak the position and length together until you get the perfect look. After that, soften the rays and brighten them as needed. You can even change the color of the rays for different moods. Use Bright Region Recovery to bring back any lost highlights. And finally, use Global Blend to fine-tune the overall intensity. Just play around until it looks perfect for your project. And that's it. You've now added beautiful light rays to your video. Thanks for watching.